have a leaky fitting here. Right there. I already got the water off, but it was shooting right out. Right there. So we're gonna have to cut it down here because I'm gonna press this. So we're gonna have to press our 90 in place and do a coupling here and a coupling here because there's not enough room. Maybe there is this way to get the press tool in there. We'll cut it and see, but I think we might just be better off putting a coupling, just cutting it here, coupling, 90, coupling. Or even just coupling 90. There's not even room to swing my pipe cutter up here. So I'm gonna have to cut it here. It's in a tight spot, that's for sure. You can see they burnt the wood up when they went and brazed this. Yep. So we embrace technology, so we got a press tool. Yep, looks like it's gonna have to be coupling 90. Shouldn't be much water, but it's gonna be some water. Hey, never mind, you can't really reach it. We're through because I hear air. Thank God we have a cutoff valve here for the boiler feed. All right, now we're gonna cut it right there. All right, it's gonna be nearly impossible to get back through that hole there. So we're gonna 90 here, 90, and then connect right back to there. Oh, hold on. Alright. And then you'll have to get in from the side to do. Can you get in from the other way? Alright, that should be all of them. We'll just double check just to make sure. I think we're looking good. Moved this guy a little bit, so we'll have to make sure this fitting is tight. It seems tight. All right, go ahead and turn the water back on and make sure we're good. All right, we got the water back on. This was a hot water pipe too, by the way. It's all looking good. Yes, sir. Press is a wonderful thing. So this is the fitting it was leaking from. There must be a pinhole there because when I moved my finger over it, it started leaking worse. So, they didn't do a great job soldering the top. They got plenty of solder on the bottom though. They probably got it too hot, honestly. Tons of solder on this side too. but God knows how old this fitting was, so. Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing that high limit switch there, and this boiler does not have any domestic flush valves, so we're going to be putting in the domestic flush valves also. Already got it drained down and cut, so we're going to just press in some valves here so we can flush the domestic side of this boiler. Alright, get that one right beside it. There's our flush valves. Customer wanted ball valves, and these are the only ball valves I could get right away. So it doesn't looks a little weird with these hanging down like that, but they're going to serve their purpose. So, all right, so those are in. We're going to replace that real quick, and then we can flush this thing. Here's the old limit switch. You can see it just basically disintegrated. And the new one comes with this washer. Comes with the washer and the limit switch already in place. Goes right in there. I'll make sure it wasn't leaking or anything like that. Alright guys, we're doing our flush now. Kenny's gonna pour another gallon of vinegar in there. We got one to start with, and it got cloudy really quick, so this thing's dirty. Let that pump for a while, and we're gonna go look at his air conditioner too. You can see this thing really needed it. That's for sure. It's been going for about 30 minutes now. Yikes. It's a Bosch Greenstar. It's got the FW200 with outdoor reset.